Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I embroider this design on using my embroidery machine. So let's get started. So I've set up the hoop already with a layer of rainbow fabric and a layer of backing. That's customary for any embroidery design. And so I'll just get started. So I'll lower the lever and let it get started on its way. I'll speed up the video for the essence of time. As you notice, it is a fish design, and I got this fish design from a company called Zdigitizing. They are a company that can help you digitize your logo or do vectors as well. So check the link below for 50% off your first order. Use my link and get that to receive that 50% off. They have excellent customer service and their prices are outstanding. So here I'm just finishing up, and we have just taking off a few threads from the design, you know, the excess threads, cleaning it up a bit. Isn't she beautiful? I just love this fish. Yes, how will I use the design? I will most likely put it on a bag, a tote bag, or on a blanket for a child, for a small child, you know, or something like a market bag. Put it on as a pocket, as a decoration. So now I just have to finish cleaning it up. Yes, get those little extra threads and you're all done.